This is Ken English. I'm at Pie in the Sky with Joanne Staley. It's the 14th of April, 2015. Joanne, what's going on? We're down on the inner sanctum. It looks like the Bat Cave down here.
It does. We're on the ground floor, and this is the area that used to be the original bathrooms for the bus station. And the light in here is stunning. Behind us are the glass block, the curve in the wall. And I opened up I guess a couple of weeks ago, took the plywood off the top windows that they actually open in. So they're functional. I don't really like the way they look, but they're functional, and they've got some more cleaning up to do, but lots more light. So from the beginning, there's a couple of us that have just thought this area would be a grand area for reading, sitting and drinking your coffee, doing research. So that's my idea for this area. We'll have built-in furniture, and you can just relax and enjoy, read. I'll have magazines. If you want to study up on what vitamins or herbs that you should be taking and look on the internet, there's so much information out there, then we'll have all that available and let you do that. Some of the upstairs we're actually coming along very well with. We have the windows on the west side are just about done. We've got sashes to make, and that will finish that out. We've come very close with our donations to get enough glass block to at least do a huge start. So if anyone else wants to kick in, we're very, very, very close to getting all that accomplished. That would be awesome. And for those of you that have donated, thank you very much. It's very appreciated, and it's going to be beautiful. So why do I get emotional about that? Who knows? That's windows. But anyway, that's me, and that's that.
Well, it's nice to have some help, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Well, it's just going to be so beautiful. So and that's where I go with that. I can already see it, and I've worked very hard to get it as far as it has, as well as the rest of the people behind me that you don't always get to see. So we've all done a lot of work behind the scenes to get that to be there. One of the other things that's happening is I'm off-site a couple of days each week in the next month or so to do some other projects. And those projects, the money is donated to me for whatever use that I want to put them to in the building. And one of the things that I had talked about from the beginning was putting in a composting toilet. And we are putting in a compost toilet now so that we can try it out and see how it works and see what we need to do, see if there's any things that we need to tweak before we actually put it in as a toilet for the building to be used for the public. So I'm excited about that. It's something I've always wanted to do. So that's a good thing. And lots more of talk about some of the things that we will be adding. We'll have a composter out back for all the food waste, and really starting to gear up to think about more of what's going to happen when we open. So that's the update for today. Obviously, I've got lots and lots of ideas, and I could talk endlessly, but so
now,
today.
Right now, we're on the main level, and in this particular area, this is going to be the market with the cafe adjacent to it.
Yes.
Is that what we're talking about?
Yes. I know all those things. What's wrong with you guys? But yes, this whole area will be the health food store on this side, and a cafe and bakery. The entryway is right next to what I call my reading area and our little lounge here, so it makes a nice entryway between the two that you can use.
All right, I'll be back to check on progress.
Great. Thanks very much.